Please, what's your name and where are you calling from?
Well, I'm developer. I'm calling from Lagos.
Okay, what's up?
No, all right. I'm all right. So, I don't know what we are talking about first before I start asking. I have a little question. I don't know. So I don't
No,
want to change the mood or something like that.
it's just a general platform. Like everybody's free to say whatever they want to say. So you're free.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, concerning your class,
Okay.
basically, I want a brief, like something like you. I don't know. You call it School of Life, have you?
Okay, yes,
Let's say
please.
something like that. Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yes, I want to like know you, like because I'm hearing like three things. You say you're like into is he? He said hacking. He said development, self development. I said social media platform also.
Okay. Is that
So I
all?
don't know. Is it like I'm taking everything? Yeah, yeah, that's all.
Okay, no problem. I will answer you now. I would like to take you down first so that I can be more comfortable to talk. All right. So the school of life is the name of the school that I run, right? I created a school in 2017 and it's on WhatsApp, and the name is The School of Life. Excuse me. At the time of speaking, we have about 22, 23, 24 WhatsApp groups. Now, remember, as at the time of creating this class, WhatsApp used to have 200 people in a group. So when one group is full, I'll open another group. When one group is full, at a point, WhatsApp grew from 200 to 500. Now we are on 1,000. All right. So I'm saying that most of the groups we have 500 people, 900, 1,000, as the case may be. So in total, in the School of Life, we have about 18,000 people across the world, different parts of the world. So, and that's the School of Life in general. I teach for free. I've been teaching since 2017, like that. So, my teachings are either video, audio, but mostly audio voice notes. So, I teach. We'll get to what I teach. Let me explain what the School of Life is in total. Yes, then in the School of Life, we now have a paid class. Now, the general class is free. Then we now have a paid class. That paid class, people pay monthly to stay in that class. So every month they will pay their money so that they can stay in the class. Then finally, we have a third class that is a relationship class. That class is only for relationships, and that class is once a month. So we just teach relationship stuffs there, and that's what we do in that class once a month. You come up with your questions. It's going to happen. It's every last Friday of the month. So it's in the night. So it may be like all night, maybe 4 hours, 5 hours, as the case may be, depending on how important the questions we have are. Now, then to the paid class, what I do in the paid class is that I teach with my life. When I mean I teach with my life, is that I teach the things that I have done over time. For example, my core area of teaching is this set of things I want to say now. Value system. I teach about value system. I teach about mindset, having the right mindset. Then lastly, I teach about a balanced life, how to have a balanced life. Your life have to be balanced, not that you are doing well in one area and you're lacking in another area, right? So those are the things I teach in the paid class. So in all of these things, there's no topic. So you don't come to the paid class or the School of Life in general and you come and you say, I want to I want to learn social media marketing. There's no curriculum for social media marketing. There's no one day I will say today what I'm teaching you social media marketing or this month what I want to teach you social media marketing. No. What we do in the paid class is that, for example, tomorrow is Sunday now, right? Let's assume that you go to your church and something happened or your pastor says something and you don't understand and it doesn't make sense or it doesn't matter. Just come to the paid class, ask your question. Hey, sorry, so and so happened yesterday, and this da 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 da. And this is this is my stand, or this is, or I saw this somewhere, I saw that, and I don't understand this. Or in my place of work, I want to seek for promotion. I wrote this letter. I told my boss this. My boss said that. Now I want to quit my job. Should I quit? Then we'll dissect the matter. We'll tell you why you should not quit, why you should quit, what you should do, what are the reasons. That's how it's the paid class is a real life class. So we are not coming there to say, today I want to learn Python. Nobody has that nonsense, stupid time. You want to learn Python, go to where they are learning Python and go and learn Python. But does that mean that if you come and you are a programmer and you have a Python question, I will not answer you, I will answer you. So if you come with your Python question, say, oh, I'm trying to compile this code, I have this issue, I have this issue. So, oh, okay, so let's take a look at it. So we'll look at it. What are you trying to build? What is the matter? We'll address the matter with you. Oh, sorry. So I just graduated from school. I just finished my NYC, and now my dad is saying I should travel abroad, but I don't want to travel abroad. And my fiance is here in Nigeria. Da 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 da. Okay, we'll dissect the matter. Now the matter may not be a one-day thing. That's why you see the paid class. You don't hear anything about it like in the open. It's a private class where matters are resolved. Do you understand? So that's what my classes are about. I'm not sure if there's any other thing that you want to know so that we can give time to others. Thank you so much.